Kia Sportage is equipped with auto rain sensing wipers feature that automatically activate the windshield wipers when rain is detected. This technology uses sensors mounted near the windshield to detect moisture levels. When raindrops are sensed on the windshield, the wipers are activated to clear the glass without requiring manual input from the driver. The auto wipers also automatically adjust their speed based on the amount of rain hitting your windshield, providing you with optimal visibility during wet driving conditions. To activate the auto rain sensing wipers, simply push the wiper control stalk down one notch from the off position to the auto position. You will know the feature is activated when you see the notification in the instrument cluster display. Once activated, the rain sensing wipers will detect amount of rainfall on the windshield and adjust their speed accordingly. They will operate intermittently or continuously as needed to keep your windshield clear. You can adjust the sensitivity of the rain sensing wipers using this adjustment lever located on the wiper control stalk. Moving the lever upward increases sensitivity, while moving it downward decreases sensitivity. Experiment with different sensitivity settings to find the one that works best for your driving conditions. Kia Sportage is also equipped with auto rear wipers. You can activate this feature by going to the user settings in the instrument cluster display. In the main menu, scroll down and select Convenience. Then make sure the checkbox in front of auto rear wiper is filled. When activated, the rear windshield wiper automatically activates when the front wiper is on and the gear is in reverse. This setup ensures that the rear windshield is kept clear when you're using the front wipers and are in reverse, helping to maintain visibility while backing up, especially in rainy or wet conditions. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to use the auto rain sensing wipers in your Kia Sportage. Enjoy enhanced visibility and safety during rainy weather thanks to this convenient feature. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to WheelsJoint for more helpful car tips.